journey from the west, we have Montego Bay Prep going up against St. Andrew Prep from the east.
Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Montego Bay Prep won. They decided to have St. Andrew Preparatory play first. So this section lasts for 4 minutes. That time is on the clock. We begin with you, St. Andrew Prep. Bible knowledge. Which is the longest chapter of the Psalms?
119.
That's correct. Montego Bay Prep, Bible knowledge. How many chapters are there in the book of the Psalms?
150.
That's correct. St. Andrew Prep, science. What provides the force to make levers in our bodies work?
The muscles.
The muscles.
That's right. Montego Bay Prep, science. Why does a lever make work easier?
It makes it easier for us to. It makes it easier for us.
It makes us easier to lift stuff.
That's incorrect. We were looking for it multiplies or increases the force used. St. Andrew Prep, Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Director of Public Prosecution?
Just something.
John Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Paula Llewellyn. Montego Bay Prep, Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Attorney General?
Marlene Malahou Fort.
Marlene Malahou Fort.
That's correct. St. Andrew, English language. Without changing the tense, correct this sentence. Mary and John receives the letter.
Mary and John receive the letter.
Say again.
Receives should be receive.
That's correct. Montego Bay Prep, English language. Without changing the tense, correct this sentence. All of the girls is beautiful.
It should be R.
It should be R.
That's correct. St. Andrew, television. Who is the current host of the TVJ program Profile?
Faye Ellington.
Faye Ellington.
That's correct. Montego Bay, television. On what day of the week is the program Profile broadcasted on TVJ?
Sunday.
That's correct. St. Andrew, general knowledge. What's a fertile place in the desert called?
A oasis.
An oasis.
That's correct. Montego Bay, general knowledge. What is a shallow crossing in a river called?
Valley.
That's incorrect. It's a ford. St. Andrew, social studies. On which continent would you find the Amazon River?
South America.
South America.
That's correct. Montego Bay, social studies. On which continent would you find the river Nile?
Africa.
That's right. St. Andrew, music. To which specific family of instruments does an oboe belong?
Brass wind.
Brass wind.
That's incorrect. It's woodwind. Montego Bay, music. To which family of instruments does a bongo belong?
Percussion.
Percussion.
That's right. St. Andrew, mathematics. The radius of a circle is 4.5 centimeters. What is its diameter?
6.
That's incorrect. It's 9 centimeters. Montego Bay, mathematics for you. 2 angles of a triangle are 90 degrees and 50 degrees, respectively. What's the size of the third angle?
40 degrees.
40 degrees.
That's correct. St. Andrew, sports. In which sport was the Jamaican Trevor Berbick a champion?
Cricket.
That's incorrect. It's boxing. Montego Bay, sports. In which racket sport is the Jamaican Chris Binney a champion?
Tennis.
That's incorrect. It's actually squash. And that brings us to the end of section 1.
That's the end of round 1. Montego Bay Prep has the lead with 7 points and St. Andrew Prep is not far behind on 6 points. During the round, both teams were asked a total of 10 questions each.
Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off of Quest for Quiz returns after this.